How to take a 3D tour in Homestyler. Taking a 3D tour in Homestyler is one of the best ways to present your design. Once you've completed your layout, switch to 3D view and look for the roaming mode or walkthrough option. This allows you to navigate through the home as if you're walking inside it. Use your mouse or trackpad to move forward, backward, and turn your viewpoint. You can also adjust the speed of movement and eye. Level to match realistic human height. Add camera bookmarks at key points, like entrance, kitchen, or bedrooms, so users can jump to specific areas during the tour. Homestyler also lets you take snapshots or record screen captures during the tour. This is useful for client presentations or posting on your portfolio. Want access to high-quality tour features and customization? Join Homestyler using the link in the description. It's free and makes your projects shine. 3D tours bring your vision to life, whether you're presenting to a client or reviewing your own work. Walking through the space virtually offers a deeper understanding of the layout and design choices